Welcome to J&J's test video of an S6CA225 2006 XLR hitting the front bumper. Something is up with the transmission. It's got a set of 22-inch wheels on it. I believe it has Borla mufflers. Oh no, Porsche, I'm sorry. Taillights work. Third brake light works. Top does not work. The button's bad. But we'll show you what we got. It doesn't want to move, but it runs good. $94,678 on the miles. Holds oil pressure. Alright, so we got windows roll up and down. Passenger side mirror works. CD player works. Disc, I had it in there earlier, but I think it's gone. Turn the AC on. Climate control works. Back up. But when I go into gear, nothing happens. But I can hear it go back into park. So, not sure, don't want to find out. Alright, what else we got? Seats work, switch is broken. Alright, and that's about it. S6CA225. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.